Packing for the Camino: lightweight, ultralight and stupid light. Let's concentrate on that last one first, shall we? Stupid light. I came across a comment from somebody recently, from an experienced pilgrim, to a newcomer, suggesting that the items he'd posted in the photo were sufficient to start the Camino. Now, this replication is not exact, but I think you'll see my point. There's almost nothing. His justification for this was you can buy pretty much anything you need in the next town. Absolutely. Yes, you can. He's right. There's two things against that. You've got to get there first. And sometimes the small villages we stay at along the Camino don't have any shops. So you could be 1 to 3 days away from somewhere where you can get the gear that you need. More importantly, the reason I consider it stupid light is there's no additional layers in there. There's no raincoat. There's no first aid equipment of any shape or size. You don't need much. A couple of plasters, a painkiller can pretty much get you from point A to point B. Worst case, even if you are in that little village and you need something more, you can get a taxi. So from that point of view, he's correct. All you've got to do is get to the next village. My point to you is that you are packing stupid light if you can't take care of yourself between point A and point B. You should not be relying on other pilgrims or emergency services to provide your needs to get from point A to point B. A final point is that his photo showed no personal hygiene products. Yes, I know personal hygiene is very individual, but most of us are not going to like you very much if you stink and you're sleeping in the albergue with us. So please do consider your fellow pilgrims. Remember, albergues do not provide soap, towels, toothbrushes. So at the very minimum, carry something. Thank you. Super light. Yes, I know, I didn't include that in the original 3 descriptions. But super light to me is somebody that's carrying the absolute minimum they need to safely get them from point A to point B. Pure and simple. Ultralight, what does that even mean? Ultralight gear comes from the backpacking community. Typically speaking, it is gear that is significantly lighter than anything else in its class. If you will use it after your Camino and you can afford it, it could be a worthwhile investment. Ultralight gear covers everything from backpacks to puffer jackets. They tend to be significantly lighter than comparable products in their field. There's no official designation as to what is truly ultralight and not. It's a rather loosely used term, so it's really well worthwhile comparing products, and specifically the weight of them, to see what you're getting. Packing lightweight. I'd consider my summer Camino packing list to be lightweight. That's coming out next week actually, so if you're a subscriber you'll see that automatically. On that side of things, I would consider packing lightweight to be everything that you need, but on a budget basis, and with perhaps 1 or 2 luxury items thrown in, like an extra pair of socks, for example. If you watch my next video, you'll see what I'm talking about in terms of luxury items. All right, everybody, thank you very much for watching. Buen Camino.